guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, the 2020 budget for Nigeria has been presented to the Senate, as you know. So in this video, we're going to be going through that budget, seeing where the money goes to, so we know which minister is going to be buying a private jet soon, or another private jet and another mansion in Dubai, etc. So we see where the money is going to in this budget. With that, guys, I bring you this. Know the ministries with the highest amount in Buhari's budget. So that's the headline. Know the ministries with the highest amount in Buhari's budget. So now let's just get straight into it. And by the way, this is a record-breaking budget that Malam Buhari is presenting. Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari on Tuesday presented a budget of 10.729 trillion to the joint session of the National Assembly for approval for the 2020 fiscal year. Below is the budget breakdown. So works and housing gets 262 billion naira, so that's our Fashola getting a chunk of the money. So transportation 123 billion, so that's Rotimi Amechi getting that next chunk. Now there's UBEC, I'm not sure what UBEC is, 112 billion, so that's a chunk going there. So 100 billion going to defense. I'm sure they'll be coming back for more, because they usually do. Every quarter they come and ask for 10 times what was allocated for them originally, especially using Boko Haram as an excuse. Agriculture, which was meant to be one of the marquee projects of this administration, is getting 83 billion. So quite what impact 83 billion can have on the agricultural sector remains to be seen. Water gets 82 billion. I'm not quite sure what sort of work is being done in that ministry, because there are no canals being built, no waterways being built, where Nigeria has like a good 30-40% water as part of its land mass, and there's no water ports being built for people to use the water as a transportation system and as a means of business. So this now 82 billion is an indication of somebody just getting a wolf money, because by the time the minister steals his own, what will be left there will be the 2 billion. So that's that for water. Niger Delta 81 billion. So now this is God's will Akpabio, and we all know the story of that guy who was prosecuted once by Festus Keyamo at the behest of the EFCC, although Festus Keyamo is now trying to deny that he ever prosecuted him. This was the guy that got rid of Festus Keyamo from his ministry, so that he can alone corner this 81 billion naira. Education gets 48 billion naira. So education in Nigeria gets less than the Niger Delta and the militants. So that just then tells you what the thinking of this government is. They will go on the news and say education is their priority, but it's not their priority when it comes to budgeting and allocations of funds. So health gets 46 billion naira. Now consider that for a moment. In a country that has little to no health facilities and a population of 200 million people approximately, the allocation for health is 46 billion naira. So 46 billion naira is what Buhari deems appropriate for the health and well-being of the 200 million odd population of the country. So this is the narrative that is emerging now. So NEDC gets 38 billion. I'm not sure what NEDC means. SIP, so that's that social investment program, the one that was taken off the vice president Yemi Oshibanjo and given to a new ministry that was created. So that ministry has now this windfall of 30 billion naira, and the Federal Capital Territory gets 28 billion naira. So now that is really the headline. Those are the headline figures. Nothing impressive really. There's nothing to write home about, because of course you would expect that health and education especially would have a larger allocation within the budget, but this is now what they've allocated. And to drive their number one program home, the agricultural program, which is the one thing that they have trumpeted all the way through, that got 83 billion naira. So a nondescript budget, which indicates just further sufferings for the Nigerian people. Really, I cannot see a way out for the Nigerian nation in this budget. But if you can, then come tell me all about about it in the comment section. But before you come tell me what way out you see for the Nigerian nation in this budget, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of this nondescript budget in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section. But here I say peace.